Okay, mic is on, guys. Mic is on. We're gonna start in any second now. Any second. A late adopter, maybe early today. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the Bitcoin daily video every single day at 9:30 Central European time. You know, we gotta do this, tech analysis on Bitcoin, see what it's doing, see if it's going up or down, what's gonna happen, and I'm glad that the chat is very active right now. How you guys doing? I see you talking about that this might have been the dip, the bottom, maybe. So we're gonna see actually what's gonna happen. So guys, I got a very nice surprise for you guys today. Today we'll be doing Elliot waves. Yeah, I know what you guys think about me and Elliot waves, but we'll do Elliot waves today just because because it's fun. We'll look at some candlestick patterns, and we'll also talk about some kind of support lines that we have been hitting and stuff like that. But before we start with that, I have to ask you guys a favor. So I don't know if I'm right or I'm wrong. So in the start of the video every morning I got this morning woods going on, right? I got this morning woods going on with the video and the music, the weighty music, the elevator music, right? Now the video I got from Paxel, right? It's morning video. It's a video from Paxel. It's a video and it's where is it? It's this video over here, right? And it's a free video, right? It's a very free video. It's free to use, no attribution required, like so I'm free to use it. Now here's the problem, and the guy Matthias Granvold, or whatever he's called, he has his YouTube channel. You can check out his YouTube channel if you want, by the way. He has YouTube channel, and he is creating stock videos, copyright free, right? So there is no problem using the video, right? But I got copyright claim on the video, actually on the video. So this is where is the video that he has actually on the here. Let's just see all the video. It doesn't have that many videos, but he has the nice woods. Yeah, it's somewhere around here. The fog morning, no. Where is it? Yeah, here's it. When a forest wakes up, copyright free stock video. So he's creating videos, right? Copyright free. Now I got a copyright claim from this video over here. You can see here they're using the same footage, just a little bit rendered, right? And it's some kind of Indian video or whatever. I don't get it quite. Some guy is singing, but they use a lot of different footage, and they use right over here. They use the same, free copyrighted video. So I'm wondering, like, when I get this copyright claim or copyright whatever, right? I made I don't know what it was called. I said that this is a free video and I have a right to use it, but I still have to wait like 30 days before this is resolved. So am I gonna win this? Like, is this something I should be worried about? Do I have to stop using the video in the morning, in the start of the Bitcoin daily video? Just give credits in the description and it would be fine. But no description or no credits are needed for the using the video. Yeah, but what about Bitcoin price? No, the people on other channels said extra. So if someone can make him nice wood video, please. You should be worried, yes. Okay, I should be worried, yeah. I don't know. Maybe I have to stop with the morning woods video. So you're gonna see that. Okay, guys, you wanna see what about Bitcoin price? This is YouTube scalping, yeah. Copyright claims come always, yeah. But it's not their video. It's not. It's not their footage. So, they can't claim copyright on something they don't own. In the meantime, I will just use another one of his copyright-free videos. Yeah, I don't want to change it because I like it really nicely. It's rigged. Some people do it for games. Okay, let's do Bitcoin, guys. Let's do Bitcoin because I know you are very interested in what's happening in Bitcoin. So somebody in Patreon chat told me that there is some kind of head and shoulders here on the 1 hourly, so I thought I should check it out. But yeah, you know, it's kind of hard to see it whether this is head and shoulders or not. It kind of depends. It kind of depends. You know, you might. It should be something like this over here, and then there should be some kind of neckline between these two. So maybe head and shoulders, maybe head and shoulders. But you can see on the 1 hourly we are breaking above the resistance at 33 right now, going a little bit higher. This is the 50 moving average on the 1 hourly, so it looks nice. Now let's start with the daily chart, and what you will see here that we had the support here down at 32,000 from yesterday video, right? We had support at 32,000 and 29,000, and we'll see here once we broke this support at 32,000, we got picked up all the way back up again, and then we retraced almost back down to the same support. So the support is technically still holding. We have no close below the support or anything like that, and we said also that 29,000 is the support below the 32. So in case we do break the 32,000, we are definitely going down to 29. But right now it just looks like this 32k support is actually getting bought back up. Now you're seeing that we have been pushing down by the 10 and 20 moving average on the daily chart over here. It's not actually a good sign, right? We are being pushed down, so it might actually go down and being pushed down even more. But this can take a while. This is a daily chart, so you know this can take a week or something like that. We'll see how this unfolds. You know, the best case scenario at one point we get above the 20 moving average and then continue to a rally to the upside. But how this is gonna play out, it's kind of difficult to say. You can also see here this is a rejection of the 20 moving average. This is a rejection of the 10, rejection of the 10 broke. This is third rejection of the 10 moving average, 1, 2, 3 times. Only one try on the 20, and then we dropped it down. Now this candle over here is quite bad because we actually broke the bottom supports, right? All bottom supports. So right now you can see here that the price is coming back up and retesting the bottom support here already. Some people are actually waiting for to test on the resistance up here on the triangle. Now that might happen. You know, we might go all the way up to the resistance because you know 10 and 20 moving average are there at the resistance. But whether we will actually go and test the resistance, test the support as resistance all the way up here, it's difficult to say because you know this triangle over here, and often you know price comes all the way up to test the resistance. Now unfortunately we got this resistance down here that's right now stopping us from doing that. You can see here that the price goes all the way up to the resistance and stopping there. Not only that, if you look on the 4 hourly time frame right now, we have the 20 moving average that is actually stopping us from going higher up, right? So this might already be seen some kind of a test on the to the upside. And on the 4 hourly time frame, the 20 moving average is really important. On the 4 hourly 20 moving average, this red line is really important. You can see here clearly that it's been used as both resistance and support. This is resistance, this is support here, this is resistance, support, right? Resistance. So yeah, the 20 moving average is really important. And right now we are actually trending below the 20 moving average. So until you're above the 20 moving average again, you know, you cannot be that bullish. This was, yes, a rally to the upside. People are calling this to be some kind of bottom, but you cannot be sure before you actually get above it and start riding the wave to the upside. So let's bring back the moving averages. I told you guys we're gonna do Elliot waves, so you know in a second we'll do Elliot waves. We just gotta talk about these things first. Just explain that you know the 20 moving average on the 4 hourly is right now stopping us. We also have of course on the daily the resistance line that we broke on the way down, right? That's this line over here. Let's just put it with a number there. Nice, 34,600 something like that, give or take. And you can see here both the resistance line and the 20 moving average are actually coming to the same point right now, and that's what actually giving us resistance. So unless we manage to break this level up here, some kind of 30, let's give it a really nice round number so it's easier for you guys to remember this. 600, 40, if we cannot get above 34,600, if we cannot get above this area up here, then we're gonna get rejected and pushed further down. The only bullishness comes is when we start breaking this 20 moving average on the 4 hourly. So 20 moving average should be actually right now this line over here should be the benchmark for bullishness versus bearishness. So as long as we are below the 20 moving average and getting pushed down, you know, especially after this big 4 hourly candle over here. How big is this candle over here? This is at almost 4% candle, so you know, some kind of rejection might actually come over here, so we're gonna see what's gonna happen. But right now technically we are nowhere near being bullish, but you know, it looks fine. Like we are getting rally. There is always probability that we're gonna break and continue to the upside. On the daily chart, there is a very nice candlestick pattern forming right now, and that's morning doji star pattern. You know, that's the big red candle with a doji in the middle, and then you got this green candle. Now for this to be complete, we have to wait for this green candle to complete as well. But important level to notice is for this to be a bullish or reversal pattern, we gotta get above this line. Actually, this line is actually exactly on the 0.5, so we gotta get above this. We have to close above, where is it? Yeah, 33,950. Let's just say 34,000. Let's just say 34,000. Okay, so we gotta close above 34,000 if we wanna actually if we want this to be a morning star doji bullish reversal pattern. Okay, so we want this morning star doji to play out, and to play out we have to close on the daily above 34,000. So you can see already now that there are certain levels that we have to break. There are certain things that has to happen, and we are nowhere there right now. So everything right now is showing that we are just in a continuation of the downtrend, and as long as we don't break these levels, right now this support is still holding. But we cannot be overly bullish just yet. I know it was nice button, big long wick, it's going back up, everything sounds, but you see already here that we are right now coming to some kind of ending of this pullback to the upside. We are hitting 34,600. We gotta close a daily above 34,000 to be a little bit more bullish stuff like that. On the 4 hourly we are not above the 20 moving average. You know, there is also all of these kind of small things. So technically I'm not very bullish right now. I'm just sitting on the side and waiting to how this is gonna play out. But this right now to me it just seemed like it was a small rally to the upside from the bigger move to the downside, and you know, we might get rejected and continue going down, but nothing is in the books yet. This also might be some kind of like I said before, some kind of spring. We go into this triangle, we get the spring and then continue going up. So the spring might actually be happening right now. You know, the triangle itself says that, you know, the price should be somewhere down here at 34,000, 36,000, something like that. It's not really important, but the price should be somewhere down here. Now this might actually just fall a little bit below the triangle and then continue up if it can manage to find some kind of support here, some kind of spring effect, right? But for this spring effect, again, for this spring effect to play out, we gotta get above the 34,600 and then continue rallying to the upside and stuff like that. All right, so that looks okay. Now I want to talk about a little bit about Elliot waves, because you know, people are talking about Elliot waves and they are looking on the different time frames and stuff like that. Now Elliot waves, and you're doing this kind of, even when you're doing the Wyckoff method, like figuring out Wyckoff method in certain areas, the time frames are actually quite important. So whether you're doing it on the 4 hourly, on the daily, on the weekly, it's really important, right? You want to see the movements, you want to see what's happening, right? So most people are doing the Elliot waves on the daily chart, so we are going to do Elliot waves on the weekly chart, because why not? If you look at the weekly chart, and we're gonna start with the ABC move to the upside all the way to the top, we're gonna call this the bottom, because you know the bottom, and we're gonna call this the top. So we wanna try to figure out where the ABC correction is, right? So we're gonna start with the 1 2 3 4 5 impulse move, right? We start 1, let's say this is 1, pull back to the 2, right? Then you got a big move to the 3, back 4, and then you gotta move the 5, right? So 1 2 3 5, you know, Elliot waves, something like that. It should be it looks pretty decent. Like this is the first move up to this first correction, and then you got a big third move, and the correction out to the 4, and then a last move up to 5 to the upside. And after that you got this ABC correction, right? That's happening. And right now you can assume, we can, I don't know if you can assume. Here's the problem with Elliot waves. Now we don't know if this is actually A, and then we're gonna get some kind of B bounce, and then corrective wave, and then corrective wave, less C corrected wave, or this A wave is not actually yet played out, so the, you know, it's gonna go all the way down here, and then we get a B and then C wave. But let's assume, because you know Elliot waves, you gotta assume a whole bunch of things. Let's assume this is A wave. That means that we're gonna have some kind of B wave to the upside, and then a big correction to the downside again. Now it all depends, like on whether this move to the upside for this A to be confirmed over here. I think we have to have a green candle over here, something like that. Maybe even here, like a green candle, something like this, and then we can say like, then we can be like, okay, maybe this is the B move, and then we are expecting some kind of C move down to some kind of very low levels, and then that would be a ABC correction, and then we can start again 1 2 3 4 5 to the upside. So you know, that's that. Like that's why I also am saying that we have to have, sooner or later, we have to have this move, you know, this impulsive move to the upside, you know, because there are moving averages to the upside that we have to revisit. The 10 and 20 moving average, you can just stay below and forever, and then you know, at one point you have to revisit these big moving averages, 10 and 20 moving average. So when that's gonna be, like, nah, I don't know. Any questions, guys? Any questions? China population is massive. They are creating their own utility coins rather than the BTC useless coins. They don't care about owning BTC. I think they do care about owning BTC. I think everybody cares about owning BTC. The bull is not finished its run yet. After correction, it will all bounce for short season, then wait till Christmas again. 1 hour rising wedge. Yeah, let's see the 1 hourly rising wedge, if there's a rising wedge on the 1 hourly. It's kind of, yeah, maybe some kind of rising wedge, so that means that we should get some kind of rejection down here. So if you fall down below this trend line over here, it might actually be bad. Yeah, but it's 1 hourly, like, you know, it doesn't really matter in the greater schemes of things. If you get a rising wedge on a daily chart and a rising wedge on a 1 hourly chart, like, which is more important? Opinion on El Salvador news. It's good for crypto now. If they make it legal tender and other countries make it legal tender, it's nice, but I don't think it's gonna affect the price that much on Bitcoin. I know people are always, you know, counting on the fundamentals, on the news to push the price, and you know, if we are in a downtrend, we are in downtrend. Like, no good news are gonna actually help it. Inverse head and shoulders. Yeah, we are talking that this might also be some kind of inverse head and shoulders up down here, but it's on a 1 hourly chart. Like, how much it can help? How much can help? FUD is everything that doesn't make you money. Yeah, that's the FUD. Daily head and shoulders forever. Is there a daily head and shoulders? Yeah, maybe this is some kind of you know, bigger scream. But then the move to the downside would put it down to 0 or something like that, I think, if it was to play out. Look at the volume of big red candle versus big green in some small time frames. Yeah, so the selling is bigger than pump. I don't know how to actually analyze this, but you know, we can assume that there, you know, people are panicking more and people are more afraid to buy. What are the YouTube frames for? What kind of YouTube frames? I'm not quite sure what you mean by YouTube frames. Yeah, it seems like a dream. Been emotional trading after missing the big dump, and I just can't keep getting wrecked. I have no self-control. Roy, don't use all your money because you'll be emotional. If you put everything on the line, you are emotional. You know, if you have trouble with trading, you know, just take part of the money, you know, and if you know, if that's like 5% or 10%, like, you figure it out. But until you get some kind of a confidence in your skill to go long or short, like, play with small money, because that will eliminate the emotional aspect of the trade. Because if you just go all in, like, you're putting everything on the line, and you're gonna get wrecked. Greed and fear index going up from 13 to 14. Yeah, maybe it is. Let's check out the fear and greed index, guys. Let's check out the fear and greed index. I don't want to show this because I'm afraid. Bitcoin fear and greed index. Let's see fear and greed index on Bitcoin. Right now 14, yesterday 13, last week 23, but it's still extreme fear. So, you know, maybe it's time to buy. I don't know. Are we the spring part of Wyckoff accumulation? I'm not quite sure if there's spring part. Guys, there is a guy. If you wanna know if you wanna hear about Wyckoff accumulation, give me a second. I'm gonna find the video. Where is the be right back button? Okay, guys, I'm talking still, so I haven't gone anywhere. I just have to find the video. Okay, just a second, because it's over here. And you know, there is this guy that's been doing Wyckoff accumulation for 10 years. So if anybody knows anything on the Wyckoff accumulation, it should be this guy, right? So I found him on let me just find where is the video. And the video is here, Bitcoin. Here's the video. Okay, and right now we are back. So let's get in charts. Okay, so I'm gonna show you there is this video, okay, and it's from the guy called Greg Dickerson right now, and he Bitcoin price Wyckoff export analysis with the Roman Bogomazov. Okay, so Roman Bogomazov, he has this site called wyckoffanalysis.com. He's been doing Wyckoff analysis for, I think, 10-20 years or something like that, and he explains a little bit about his thoughts about Wyckoff. So if you want to know about Wyckoff from an expert on Wyckoff, you know, you should be listening to this guy. Now, I don't think actually this actually matters, and I don't actually like his analysis, you know, but that's my thing. But if you just want to hear something from somebody that actually knows about Wyckoff or something like that, like that's been doing Wyckoff for like entire life, you know, probably this Roman Bogomazov guy, and check out this Greg Dickerson guy. You know, he sometimes he brings some really interesting people to the chat. So check him out. Really nice, really nice. So, you know, if Wyckoff is your ticket, check out this guy out. So there you go, you got free information. Don't trust Russia. Watch Uncomplicated. Yeah, I don't like Uncomplicated. I did watch him, but I'm not a big fan of him. What is the maximum fear value? I don't know, probably something like -100 or something like that. Where is the Michael Saylor hiding? He's probably sitting buying every dip that you are panic selling. Less emotional. Uncomplication is the guy. Yeah, I don't know if Uncomplication is just explaining how Wyckoff's work, but this guy over here, this guy, Roman Bogdanov, is actually doing Wyckoff for living. He's specializing in Wyckoff analysis. He has even a page called wyckoffanalysis.com. So, you know, if there is anybody you should be listening to, is probably that guy. Now, I don't agree with everything he said, but, you know, it's interesting to see perspective of somebody who actually understands Wyckoff accumulation. A Wyckoff price chart analysis. You understand what I mean. You understand? Panic buying and selling all day. Oh my God. AMC going to 100. Let's check out AMC, guys, because if you go to AMC, AMC looks like it hits the top. Maybe not. Maybe it's going to continue, guys. Maybe it's going to continue. This is 4 hourly. This is day. Yeah, this 4 hourly is breaking the problem with AMC. It went parabolic, and right now it's going some kind of sideways move. So there is a big chance it might actually just broke, because it's breaking right now it's breaking all of the trend lines to the upside, right? There was strong uptrend, right? You can see here it's just broken everything. It went parabolic, and right now it's break empty. So probably even though this is a triangle formation, so you know, triangle formation continuation patterns. So this might actually break to the upside, but take it for what it is. And right now this is some kind of a continuation pattern. It can break to us, but until it breaks on the upside, always think that it might actually break to the downside, because we went some kind of parabolic move over here. It might actually just break on the downside as well. So you know, it can go both ways. So you got this triangle pattern over here. So do watch what is actually happening. Are we going to pump or dump? Right now we are not quite sure what's going to happen on Bitcoin, but you know, people have said there is some kind of a rising wedge over here. There might be a rising wedge. You can see here we are already getting right now. This is the 1 hourly candle. Do we have the 4 hourly? 4 hourly is closing in 3 minutes and 29 seconds. Oh, that's very nice. We got a 4 hourly candle closing over here, so we're gonna see what's gonna happen. A 1 hourly already closed over here, and you can see here we haven't been able to break this resistance line here at the top. So if this starts going down over here and breaks the trend support line on the rising wedge, you know, it might actually break on the downside. But what I'm actually looking at is just this 20 moving average. If we want to go up, we gotta get above the 34,600, right? That's the 34,600. That's over here. That's on the 4 hour. We gotta break this this level up here. If we cannot break 34,600, that's up here. I don't know what to do. On the daily, I want to close the daily above 34,000. Right now, the best case scenario is just getting above the 34.6, you know, and continuing upwards. But if we start falling down, if we close the daily below the 34, something like that. So I'm right now I'm not quite bullish. I'm still thinking that this move to the downside is exact. It's not over yet. I mean, it was nice dump. It might be actually a pump to the upside, but not until we get above some very important levels up here. You know, don't overreact. Don't overreact. Short the rising wedge. It's a 1 hourly rising wedge, so also be sure to put your you know, stop loss and watch it really closely. Don't go to the bathroom in the meanwhile, because you know, 1 hourly can, you know, change pretty quick. So be careful what you do. The only rising wedge I see is the one when my girlfriend is over and she gets out of yeah. Short or buy now, whatever you want to do, man, but it's in no man's land right now. It's hitting resistance, so you know, closing on 34,200, the average price of Tesla BTC purchases. Coincidence? I don't know, man. I don't think Tesla just invests like a 1 billion or something like that. They don't have that much power over Bitcoin price. Indeed, BTC as a hedge fund manipulated pumping up coin. They're trying to get us all wrecked. Prices based on use case and economics output would be way better. Well, maybe if El Salvador and some other countries try to adopt it, you know, that might be a thing. Guys, thanks for watching. Come back tomorrow. We're gonna see what's happening on the way out. Hit the like button, and we got guys, you know, I gotta shill my stuff. Patreon.com. If you go to Patreon, we got technical analysis crash course. So if that's your thing, you want to learn more about tech analysis, join the Patreon. That says, thanks for watching, guys. Come back tomorrow 9:30 exactly Central European time every single day. And there was one yeah, Arvin Shagar, $5 of SGD. I don't know what. Will the price of AMC go up, bro? Yeah, we checked the AMC. It's in a triangle. Anyways, guys, thanks for joining. Thanks for coming by. You know, every day 9:30 Central European time we are doing this live stream. So do come back tomorrow and see what's happening. Maybe I'll even do a live stream later today. We're gonna see what kind of mood I am. The late adopter. I don't know, gold value changes 70% in value in 2 months. 30 seconds left, not waiting for... Oh yeah, we forgot about the close. Okay, some people left, that's fine. Okay, let's see. There is the close, we got the close. We got the close. Yeah, I forgot the close. Okay, so basically on the 4 hour, yeah, it was kind of in the books. We closed below the 20 moving average. I would have, you can see over here, let me just remove these 2 lines over here so you can see this better. You can see over here, I like when the wick goes all the way to certain moving averages, right? I like hitting moving averages on the dollar, like over here. And even this week over here went to the moving average, but this week over here didn't go all the way to the moving average, nor to the nor did it hit this resistance line down here. We went up, but not even close. We got close, but not on the dollar, right? So I'm looking at that like some kind of a bearish signal, because you know, if bulls are not able to push the price all the way up to the 20, there is some kind of selling pressure over here. So you know, right now we're gonna see if this if this 10 moving average can hold us up, because if this starts falling down and falls back below the 10 moving average, like it's not good, guys. It's not good. So we want to stay above the 10 moving average. We want to get above the 20 moving average, right? You know, we don't want to range this too long, but something's gonna. But if it starts falling below the 10 moving average on the 4 hourly time frame, like you know. Thanks for the feedback. Good to see what the sentiment is. Yeah, sentiments right now is like we are in a downtrend. We fell out of the triangle, unfortunately, fell out. And it would be nice if we could go upstairs, but right now nothing is actually decided. So we are technically still in a downtrend, and we are just hitting resistance now. So until the resistance is broken, you guys have to consider that we are still in a downtrend, okay? That said, anything can happen. This is Bitcoin, this is tech analysis, and you know, take care, guys. See you around. See you around. And the stop button is over here. Go down, please. Start going down. See you guys. Bye bye.